Today, we're diving into the world of incredibly satisfying production lines and factory machines. Let's take a closer look at how these engineering marvels operate with precision and efficiency. Let me introduce Spring Works, a highly respected name in the industry, specializing in creating custom hot and cold wound mechanical springs, stampings, wire forms, machining, metal spinning, and water jet cutting. Their expertise is evident in their ability to coil springs with diameters of up to 36 inches and an impressive overall free length of 70 inches. Spring Works stands out for its unmatched skill in hot winding, delivering unparalleled flexibility and exceptional quality for springs of any size. They prioritize efficiency, offering fast turnaround times for urgent orders and flexible quantity options to meet your exact requirements. Formec, innovating vacuum forming solutions. Based in the UK, Formec is a leader in the design and manufacturing of vacuum forming machines, offering versatile solutions for a wide array of applications. Their product range includes compact desktop models, floor-standing units, and large-format machines, all designed with semi-automatic functionality to suit various industry needs. Formec's machines are used across numerous sectors, including research and development, production, education, crafts, confectionery, film, and theater, among others. What sets Formec apart is their ability to deliver cost-effective, flexible vacuum forming solutions, ensuring their equipment meets the unique demands of diverse projects. Next up is China RCM Sao, a renowned manufacturer specializing in the production of small and medium-sized concentrated group shield machines. They also excel in friction stir welding and friction welding equipment, offering expertise in CNC machining design, manufacturing, and sales services. China RCM's products are widely utilized across diverse industries, including city pipeline network construction, aviation, aerospace, electronics, high-speed rail, and many others. When it comes to rotary friction welding, China RCM employs an innovative process where two metal components are spun at high speeds and pressed together. This technique enables them to seamlessly join two axles into a single unit, ensuring precision and durability. Bailey Industrial, a global leader in metal machinery. Bailey Industrial is a well-known global provider of top-quality metal machinery. One of their standout products is the hydraulic tube bender, a versatile tool used in the fabrication of items such as handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and more. According to Bailey Industrial Limited, the hydraulic tube bender offers several advantages. It minimizes physical strain on the operator, delivers faster results, and ensures greater accuracy compared to traditional methods. Additionally, it is a cost-effective alternative to programmed tube machines and doesn't rely on manual force. The bending process is straightforward. The steel tube is positioned correctly, and the machine takes care of the rest, bending the tube to the desired shape with minimal effort and maximum precision. Let me introduce Aluplast GmbH, a renowned German company celebrated for its expertise in manufacturing premium plastic windows and doors. Recognized for its innovative technologies, Aluplast excels in delivering superior thermal insulation, advanced safety features, and modern cutting-edge designs. Every Aluplast product is crafted with precision to enhance comfort, security, and energy efficiency in homes, making them a preferred choice for quality-conscious homeowners. With a robust global presence, the company is a leading provider of plastic profile systems in the industry, setting benchmarks for excellence in window and door solutions. The manufacturing process at Aluplast involves heating plastic pellets until they reach a pliable state. These are then expertly extruded through a die to create continuous profiles, ensuring the highest standards of quality and durability. Tex Inter, pioneering braiding machines and software solutions. Inter is a leading Russian manufacturer specializing in advanced braiding machines and accompanying software. Their machines are engineered for diverse applications, including producing cords, tapes, tubes, and wires, as well as braiding with precious metals and composite materials. Designed for precision and efficiency, these machines cater to a variety of industrial and creative braiding needs. Innovative software for enhanced performance. A standout innovation from Inter is their CHEM Braider multi-filamented software. This cutting-edge tool provides a detailed 3D visualization of braided structures while calculating their properties with accuracy. It excels in handling tubular braids, offering capabilities such as simulating the braiding process in real time, optimizing machine settings for enhanced performance, customizing and arranging colors to meet specific design requirements. With its state-of-the-art machinery and intelligent software solutions, Inter delivers unparalleled expertise in braiding technology, empowering industries to achieve precision and innovation in every project. Manufacturing Technology Inc., MTI, pioneers in friction welding solutions. Manufacturing Technology Inc., MTI, is a global leader in delivering cutting-edge solutions for joining and friction welding. Renowned for their expertise, MTI designs and manufactures advanced friction welders that consistently produce superior quality welds, whether for applications on Earth or beyond, in the vast reaches of outer space. Diverse friction. Welding technologies. MTI offers a comprehensive range of friction welding technologies tailored to meet a variety of needs. Their portfolio includes rotary friction, welding, linear friction, welding, low-force friction, welding, friction, stir welding. These innovative methods ensure precise and reliable welding solutions for even the most demanding industries, driving innovation in space exploration. MTI has an outstanding legacy of contributing to groundbreaking projects, including welding fuel tanks for the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station. Their expertise in friction welding has played a critical role in pushing the boundaries of space exploration, enabling the development of durable and reliable components for extraterrestrial missions. With a commitment to innovation and excellence, MTI continues to set the standard in friction welding technology, driving advancements in industries across the globe and beyond. The SMS Group, a leader in global engineering. The SMS Group is a renowned global engineering company specializing in plant and machinery construction across diverse industries. This end-to-end approach allows the company to deliver complete solutions, from selecting raw materials to assembling finished products. With its cutting-edge technologies and broad expertise, SMS Group continues to set the benchmark in engineering solutions for modern industries. And that's a wrap. We've just introduced some of the top production lines in today's industrial landscape. Which one caught your eye? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of construction machinery.